How to download Hamster Kombat in iOS. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to download Hamster Kombat in iOS. So without further ado, let us begin. So when I open up the App Store and then just search up for Hamster Kombat, these games right here are not the Hamster Kombat games. So the app that you need to download is an app called Telegram. So just search up Telegram in your App Store. And then from here, what you want to do is just install Telegram Messenger. And then once you're done, just open it up. And then once you open up Telegram, what you want to do is just go to the search bar right here. And then just search up for Hamster Kombat. And then make sure that the Hamster Kombat that you're searching has a check mark beside it. So it's this one right here, and then once you click on the Hamster Kombat chat, you'll be redirected here. And then what you want to do now is just click on play. And then after that, it will now start loading up Hamster Kombat. And then there you go. As you can see, I now have access to Hamster Kombat. So as you can see over here, we have the different kinds of, settings or mining settings that we can choose for Hamster Kombat and a lot more. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to download Hamster Kombat in iOS.